Hi guys, it is me once again, and then today we are tackling our task 2 on our automata assignment. The transition table for the DFA, which is stated there, that is for the question in task 2A. And then in a B, we see that the minimization here we have to minimize the states that we have been given in the A into only the required states for the conversion. Hence, any excess state is supposed to be thrown away. So first, we have to remove the unreachable states starting from Q0 and following through all transactions. The reachable state is Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 is discarded. That is, kill 4 is discarded since no string from kill 0 can ever reach it. Also, in step 2, we see that the initial position P0 for the strings there, and that is the final versus the non-final states. So the final states being Q2, and the non-final states being Q0, Q1, and Q3. If you look up my video from previous lessons, you see that we've done all these. So we'll move on to the diagram where after minimizing all our states, we got three states to be left up where we made Q0, Q3. That is our first state. We named it A. Q1 became our second state. We named it B. Q2 being the assert state had the variable C. Here, on input of 1 from our start, we have it looping to itself. Input of 0, it loops away to the B. B loops back into itself on input of 0 and moves to C on input of 1. And then C on input of 1 and then input of 0 loops back to itself. The transition table for the minimized DFA is as we can see below. Thank you very much for joining us through this class. I'll see you next time.